Good morning, April 19th, and we continue to fill ourselves with useful knowledge in our Eureka Effect. Today we have a sweet but very serious study. We'll talk about why one small piece of dark chocolate can become your secret weapon before an important meeting or exam. Our message of the day. Intelligent pleasure is a strategic investment in our own efficiency, and allowing ourselves joy at the right time is the art of managing our energy with love and a scientific approach. Everyone has heard that chocolate is healthy. But let's understand how this sweet doping instantly turns on the brain, and why it's often included in the diets of those whose work requires high concentration and rapid adaptation. What is the Eureka Effect here? The main magic lies in cocoa flavonols. When we eat a piece of dark chocolate, they stimulate the production of nitric oxide in our vessels. This causes the vessels to relax and expand. The result: blood circulation in the brain, especially in areas responsible for memory and attention, increases within 30-60 minutes. Furthermore, chocolate contains theobromine. It's like caffeine's younger sister, but it acts much more gently. Caffeine gives a sharp spike followed by an equally sharp crash, the caffeine pit, while theobromine provides a soft, long-lasting focus without anxiety or shaky hands. Have you noticed the jittery effect after strong coffee? To avoid anxiety and a sudden drop in energy, drink a glass of water before and after your coffee. This way, you get only the alertness. How does it work in real life? For chocolate to work as biohacking, follow these 3 rules. The 75 plus magic. Flavonols are only found in cocoa. Milk chocolate has too few, and sugar and milk block their absorption. So look for a bar with 75% to 85% cocoa content. This is our biological concentrate. The golden dose. For a cognitive boost, 15-20 grams, about 2 squares, is enough. More won't enhance the effect. It will just add extra calories. The 40-minute rule. The peak level of flavonols in the blood occurs about an hour after consumption. So eat your doping 40 minutes before you need maximum concentration. Adopt this ritual of success. Place a piece on your tongue and let it melt slowly. In such way, the brain receives a signal not only from chemistry, but also from the dopamine system. We are ready. We are safe. And we are in a great mood. This releases the cortisol grip before a challenge. And you step onto the stage not in a state of stress, but in a state of calm sharpness. Enjoy legally. Enjoy with benefits. Your Eureka Effect by Advanced Embrace.